If you're looking for a compact air purifier that's low maintenance and easy to live with, the Shark NeverChange Compact Pro Air Purifier HP072PK is designed to deliver clean air without the usual hassle of frequent filter replacements. Right away, the biggest highlight is the NeverChange filtration system. Unlike typical purifiers, this one uses a HEPA-exceeding filter that can last up to 5 years, which saves both money and effort over time. It captures common indoor pollutants like dust, pet dander, smoke, and allergens, making it a great fit for bedrooms or small living spaces. Performance-wise, it's built for smaller rooms, covering up to around 250 square feet, which makes it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, dorms, or home offices. Despite its compact size, it does a solid job improving air quality, especially with odors and everyday airborne particles. Another practical feature is the odor neutralizer technology. It helps reduce unpleasant smells while keeping the air fresh, which is useful if you have pets, cook often, or just want a cleaner indoor environment. In terms of usability, it's simple and straightforward. Setup is quick, controls are easy to understand, and it runs relatively quietly, especially on lower settings, so it won't disturb sleep or work. Real-world use shows it performs well for its size, particularly in handling smoke and odors, though like most compact purifiers, it's best suited for smaller rooms rather than large open spaces. Overall, this is a great choice if you want a compact, low-maintenance air purifier that focuses on convenience and everyday air quality. It's not meant for large areas, but for personal spaces, it delivers clean air with minimal effort. Click the link below for the best price.